I've got to walk through the valley and the shadows. I will just journey in my loving Savior's care. Oh, but he had said that he would never leave me. And with his rod, he's going to comfort me right there. Lord, through the valley, through the valley, through the valley, through the valley, and the shadows I must go. Oh, but the dark waves of Jordan will not harm me. There's gonna be peace, peace through the valley. God knows I know. Every child of God has the assurance there'll be peace through the valley. David said, though I walk through the valley in the shadows of death, I will fear no evil. Now I can imagine I hear another battle-scarred soldier saying, I don't mind dying. I know death is the gates of endless joy. Now, when I get down to the valley, I imagine I'm going to look up and catch my captain's eye. And I'll say, meet me, Jesus. You know, I told you a long time ago, I didn't want no trouble at the river, but you promised me. If I would just hold up your name, when I got out to the river, you wouldn't let the dark waves harm me. Yeah, Lord, through the valley, through the valley. You walk with David through the valley. You walk with my mother through the valley. You walk with my father through the valley. Walk with me, daughter. Walk with me, daughter. Walk with me, Lord. Walk with me, Lord. Don't let the dark waves of Jordan harm